Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about intelligence, which is the subtopic of the first chapter of NCERT 12th class psychology book. Now, what is intelligence? अगर हम common sense में देखें, if we see in common sense notion, intelligence is called when we are mentally alert. Okay, ऐसा person जिसको कोई भी कुछ बोले, कोई बेवकूफ़ नहीं बना सके उसको, and the person who plays smartly in the world, that is called mental alertness. Ready wit ready wit means the person who is ready to answer each and every question. ओके, जिसको हर बात का जवाब देने आता हो. विट मतलब जवाब देना. क्विकनेस इन लर्निंग, that is the person who is very quick in learning. So intelligence is nothing but, in common sense, the person who is mentally alert, and the person who is ready to wit, and the person who is very quick in learning process. Now, this was the meaning of intelligence according to common notion. Now, according to psychological notion, intelligence means power of perceiving. The person who is able to perceive in a right manner at right time. The power of understanding, the person who is able to understand in a right manner at right time. Power of learning, the person who is able to learn, that is quick learning ability. And the power of knowing, that the person who is able to know from his environment, his or her environment. So here, intelligence in a psychological manner means perceiving, understanding, learning, and knowing. Now, according to Alfred Binet, Alfred Binet is now what he has told about the intelligence, because according to him, he says intelligence, a person, either he is intelligent nor or he is not intelligent. Okay, so he only says one thing: either a person is intelligent in overall personalities, overall things, or a person is not intelligent in overall things. अब उसका ये कहना है कि एक पर्सन पूरी चीज़ों में इंटेलिजेंट है या पूरी चीज़ों में इंटेलिजेंट नहीं है. ओके, अब इस बात का काफ़ी लोगों ने क्रिटिसाइज भी किया है. अल्फ्रेड बिनेट की बात को, ये वाली बात को काफ़ी लोगों ने क्रिटिसाइज किया है, क्योंकि इस बात के आधार पे अल्फ्रेड बिनेट हैज given a theory, that is unifactor theory of intelligence. Okay, so according to Alfred Binet, intelligence is ability to judge well. कोई मतलब अच्छा जजमेंट करने वाला हो, अंडरस्टैंड वेल एंड रीजन वेल. कोई अच्छा समझने वाला हो दूसरों को, एंड द रीजन वेल मीन्स कोई अच्छा लॉजिक लगाता हो, राइट टाइम पे राइट लॉजिक लगाने वाला. ये अल्फ्रेड बिनेट का कहना है. बट हियर Wechsler's definition is different from Alfred Binet. Wechsler's is saying global means overall and aggregate capacity of an individual to think rationally, act purposefully, and to deal effectively with his or her environment. So the person who is capable of think logically, who is able to act purposefully, that is right action in a right manner, right time, and the person who is able to deal effectively, that is a person who is able to deal properly in a proper environment, that is right dealing at right environment. Okay, so here, according to Wetzler, The intelligence is the capacity of an individual to think rationally, that is logically, act purposefully, and to deal effectively with his or her environment. And what is the view of Gardner and Sternberg? These are the persons who have opposed Alfred Binet, because these persons says a person can be intelligent in different aspects. Suppose a person is good in music but not good in sports, or a person good in sports but not good in studies. So intelligence can be in different variations in a particular individual, particular person. This is a view of Gardner and Sternberg. So what is Gardner and Sternberg is saying, that not only adopts, that intelligence is the ability to adopt environment. Also, it shapes and modifies the environment. This is the view of Gardner and Sternberg. Okay, that is intelligence is ability to adopt any environment, and also after adopting the environment, that is ability to modify or shape the environment. Okay, now this was the definition of intelligence, and in next presentation we will discuss about the theories of intelligence. Thank you.